Today, I'm gonna show you how I kind of make my basic chicken salad base, and then I zhuzh it up all the time. Sometimes I add pesto, sometimes I add buffalo sauce, sometimes I add curry. So I have a bunch of variations. I'm gonna show you how I make just the basic chicken salad. So easy, and I do a lot of it in the food processor. My trusty food processor, rotisserie chicken, just however much you have. A couple of green onions, mostly just the white part. If I can find them, I love these peppadew peppers. Let's say 5. And I also like to add a little bit of the brine because it's sweet. I am always trying to add more vegetables, so I'm gonna add just like a handful of shredded carrots. They'll get chopped up. You'll hardly even know they're in there. When it comes to celery, I'm a weirdo. I put a little bit into the food processor so it gets really mixed up, but then I also like some bigger chunks that I will add afterward. There we go. We don't want to pulverize it. We just want it basically mostly chopped up. This is what it looks like in the bowl. The red color is because of the pepperdew peppers. I'm going to chop up just a little more celery to put in there. I like lots of salt. I like white pepper instead of black pepper. If you only have black pepper, use black pepper. And a little bit of relish, just a little bit. I know relish is polarizing. Again, if you don't like it, don't use it. A tablespoon of relish, a little squirt of Dijon, like a tablespoon. Dress it with Dukes, 2 big blobs of mayonnaise. There we go. I just like it to kind of all smush together. Grilled bread, better than toasted bread. Chicken salad, microgreens. I like to throw some cucumber on.
Follow GrownupDish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.